to Anne Stitch Collective, and today we're going to work with a stem stitch. And as it sounds, a stem stitch is very good for stems. So I would always work with a line. So I've just got a little line here that I'm going to work with. Okay, so what we're going to do is we've got our thread, so I'm going to bring it up here and I'm going to make a stitch that's a little bit longer than I normally would do, and then come up halfway. So I've got my thread there, thread here, I've gone in here and I've come up halfway. Now the bit that's important is this thread here needs to always stay to my left, so if it's staying to the right it needs to stay to the right. So we do a stitch, thread to the left, we do the same thing again, we go to a stitch a little bit further along, and then this time I'm going to come up here where that first stitch finished. Leave the thread there, I'm going to come along and then back up where that previous stitch was, keeping the thread to the left. So I'm going to go along here, a little bit further along, come back up. So I'm making like lots of long stitches. The bit that's important is that your thread stays to one side. So that goes back in and up. Keep that there, back in and up. Keep that thread there. And it does sort of meander or bend one way or another. So this is really good, especially if you have one of my templates and you've got the stems on some of the plants, because this will go over the top of those really nicely. Obviously you can get a bit more of an intense one if you make your stitches. So I've got quite a big stitch there. So if I now come in, let's halve that stitch. So I'll do it a bit smaller. It's just the same principle. Move it on a little bit and always come back up where that last stitch finished. So you can make it a little bit more intense just by doing slightly smaller stitches, and I can start to bend it the other way very slowly, just moving my stitches. Again, I'd be following a line normally, but the main thing that's really important is keeping that thread, this spare thread, to the same side every time when you're stitching. So it's bending back round, and then I can go back in with a longer stitch. So I've got my stitch there, so I jump across and then come back up at the bottom of that stitch that I just did, and then carry on. So this is a really nice stitch to work with for edging shapes, and again it sort of gives you a thicker line. It looks a bit like a rope as well, but it's just a thicker line. It's a bit more intense than just a running stitch or a back stitch, so it's always a really good one to have in your stitch pocket, I suppose you could call it. Just flip it round, just tie it off. There we go. So there is our stem stitch. Have fun.